Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1971 Dodge Challenger RT. Gorgeous car, guys. I've been trying to buy this doggone car for 2 years. Love this car. It is one of 465 383 4-speed RTs ever produced. Factory Citron yellow car. Again, 383 4-speed car. A lot of the options, this car actually went, I think it was 5 years ago, underwent a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Bought it from a guy to Missouri, Greg, great guy. He added a lot of the options that are on this car. The Enduro bumpers, the shaker hood, the rear window louvers. That is not factory correct for those cars. Those were added to this car. But again, true RT car, true 4-speed car, true Citron yellow car. And again, there's very few miles on a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Again, I've been trying to buy this doggone car for 2 years. We got a mutual friend, Bill, that I bought several cars from him, and I just kind of stayed on both of these guys and ended up getting this thing bought. But love this car. Really, just no expense spared. $75,000 restoration on this car. It's just gorgeous. Great car. And the one thing I'll tell you with e-bodies, you get in them, normally they rattle. I'll tell you what, man, this thing doesn't rattle a bit. Chrome and stainless are nice. Again, he's added the front and rear Enduro bumpers. It's got chin spoilers, got the gull wing on the back. This is a steel shaker hood. Again, added to the car. It did not come with it factory. Great car, man. And like I say, you want to talk about a nice running and driving car, this car just runs out awesome. Again, these were added, Greg added these. But these are original Mopar rear window louvers. You guys, you know they're probably worth about $3 grand. Going here. Pretty car, man. The nice thing is that I've already talked to Greg. He said whoever buys the car, he'd love to keep in touch with him, so we'll be able to give you his number. Here's a little stone peck. There's something you can nitpick on the car. Other than that, guys, I'm telling you, man, this thing is gorgeous. Car was restored 5 years ago, but he actually just changed the. It's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. He didn't like the size that he had on him, so he changed the size on the tires. So those he said he did those last year. So really, it's got brand new set of rubber on it. Factory RT rear valance. Oh, I like this car. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Front disc brakes. You see it's all done underneath like it would have come from the factory, so it's body color underneath. You'll see in the pictures. I took some good pictures of it. That kind of fades to black in the back. A non-matching numbers car, but it does have a 71 replacement block in it. 383 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It also has a 71 date-coded 4-speed manual transmission in it. They've upgraded to electronic ignition. All the brake lines are new. Again, that is a steel shaker hood. There is a fender tag coming for it, but again, it's a factory 4-speed 383 car. A lot of the options have been added. Boy, that's a pretty car, man. Your VIN numbers are on your core support. They're also up here on your firewall. Car's been through a safety inspection, I think when just over a year ago. Oh, he added tinted glass. Car didn't come with, he said, with factory tinted glass. He added the tinted glass. I like his response. He said, if you're going to build one, you got to build it how you like it. So, I can't agree more. Again, dual sport mirrors. Factory black vinyl interior. It's a console delete car. New carpet, all new legendary interior. This kind of, we left this, you can see if you look down in there, you see the floorboards are body color on this car. Tuff wheel, again, bucket seats, console delete. It's got the Hurst Pistol Grip shifter in it. Factory tach engaged car, $68,799. That's supposed to be the original miles to the car, but very, very few miles on the restoration. AM radio. Again, dual exhaust. 8 3/4, 391 sure grip rear end. This is all your receipts for your restoration. And then, like I say, the nice thing is that Greg's number will go. He's the one who restored the car. You can see it's all body color here in the trunk like it's supposed to be. I'll tell you, the fit and finish on the car is excellent. And you know, I put a few miles on the car, man. You hit the road in this thing, man, it drives awesome. It doesn't, you know, rattle a bit. Like I say, most of these e-bodies, they kind of known to be rattle traps. Not this one. It's just a pretty car, man. Go ahead and fire it up, Jordy. Again, dual sport mirrors. Yeah, this car just runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight. This is a great car. All your gauges are functional. Good oil pressure. Again, parking brake works. Backup lights work. Oh, I love this car. Put it in reverse, Jordy. Yeah, nope, no reverse light doesn't work. I thought that came on. I think that does work. Radio? No. Blower motor does work.
Yeah, radio.
Oh, radio did come on? Okay. I think that little reverse light in there works too. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way we can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. car is gorgeous, man.